only animal hospital in Soledad is closing its doors after 90 years in business. And that means pet owners in South County have no nearby options for care. Action News 8 reporter Brisa Colon is live in Soledad with more.
Aaron, the need for animal services here in Soledad is already dire, but with the closing of their only animal hospital, pet owners will have no choice but to travel as far away as Salinas or King City for care.
I don't know if she would have made it or not, but that's something that I will live with for the rest of my life, wondering what if I had tried a different vet? What if she would have been seen sooner?
Lisa's 19-day-old puppy Martha was experiencing a health emergency in the middle of the night. But because she lives in Soledad and all nearby emergency clinics were inundated, she just didn't make it.
Emergency vets in Monterey County said that they would not be able to see her. I called the emergency vet in Santa Cruz, same thing, they would not be able to see her. By the time we got her seen at a regular veterinarian, it was 5.5 hours later and she passed away at that vet.
Unfortunately, Lisa's story is a common one for pet owners in Soledad. But now with the only animal hospital, Los Coches, suddenly closing its doors, the issue becoming more dire.
Anyone wanted this hospital to stay open, it's definitely me, and if there's anything I could do to make that happen, we would. But without having a doctor and with the recruitment shortage here, it's just been impossible for us to continue to stay open.
The hospital has served the community for 90 years now, but just couldn't make it through the national vet shortage. Clinics in larger cities like Salinas say they're becoming more and more overwhelmed, seeing patients coming as far away as San Jose.
Definitely walking a fine line between being able to see as many people as we can without compromising our medicine.
For rural county cities, this void is expected to directly impact the growing number of stray animals on the streets. Right now, Los Coches is the only place in Soledad holding stray animals. And with its closure, South County Animal Rescue foresees an uptick.
Whether they be dogs being abandoned in the outskirts of town, the rural roads of South County, such as Metz Road in Soledad, and Arroyo Seco in the Lockwood areas, even in King City on the outskirts of King City, dogs are really left out to the abandoned.
At this point, this vicious cycle has no end, with small pets continuing to pay the price. And the hospital here says they plan to stop care on April 1st and move their entire practice over to their sister location in Salinas on Romy Lane. But they say they're going to keep their doors open until about mid-April to allow the city some time to figure out a solution to the stray problem. Reporting from Soledad, I'm Brisa Colon, KSBW, Action News 8.
Brisa reporting live from Soledad tonight. Thank you.